turkey legs. But they are not real turkey legs, of course. They're cake, of course. And check out, they look so cool. So keep watching to see how I made them. Okay, so I have a bunch of little cakes that I have sort of tie-dyed pink and whitish colors, and yeah, made it look like real turkey. So I'm gonna fill them, I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna carve it, and then I am going to cover this in fondant and paint it and make it look like a real turkey leg. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is my model for today, my souvenir magnet from Disney World.
Mom, you know you can see a Starbucks drink.
I am done, and they look awesome. Of course, I put them on a beautiful board with some rosemary to make them look more real. And that's it.